What's up, everybody? Thanks for coming to check out the channel. My name's Larissa, and today we are going over breath of joy. This is one of the many videos in the pranayama series that we're doing, so if you want to check out the rest, there'll probably be a link somewhere up at the top of the video here. So breath of joy, as you can see, we're standing because it is a standing pranayama. Most pranayamas we do seated, but this one is a standing one. Breath of joy is really good for waking up the body. A lot of my teachers have said that it is better than a cup of coffee. So if you feel like you need a little bit of a pick-me-up in the morning, or maybe you're feeling a little bit sluggish on your mat, doing this pranayama practice can really just help wake you up, enliven you, but without all those coffee jitters. So how we do this is you start to take your feet a little bit wider than hip width apart, so kind of like a horse stance almost. You're gonna bend the knees a little bit just so you have some give. And then you're gonna inhale to the center. Inhale, take the hands wide. Inhale to the center again, and then exhale, let it all out. So it's a three-part inhale. Inhaling center, inhaling out, inhaling center again, and then exhale, let it all out. So it's gonna look like this. And then now we're gonna do it for 5 rounds. So let's just take a pause. We're gonna close our eyes for a moment and just tune into our natural breathing here. Just feeling that natural inhale and exhale, moving it in and out of the nostrils. Good. Then blink the eyes back open. So it's always nice to tune in with your natural breath before moving into a pranayama practice. All right, so let's give it a go. I'm gonna call out the first round, and then we're gonna continue on in silence for the remaining 4 rounds. All right, let's go. So, horse stance. Knees are generously bent to give you a little buoyancy. And then inhale, hands to center. Inhale, hands wide. Inhale, back to center. And then exhale all the way out. Inhaling, hands through center. Last one. And rise back up, hands by your side, close the eyes, and just tune in for a moment. Noticing any energy, any vibration, heartbeat, just whatever is going on inside, checking that out. And blink those eyes open, nice and slow. And that, my friends, is breath of joy. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. If you have any questions, any suggestions, those are always more than welcome. As always, thank you so much, and I'll catch you in the next one.